Welcome back to Hawfan's channel. Continuing our multilingual English learning series, today we'll explore episode of the most common idioms. Mastering idioms and their correct pronunciation will help you communicate naturally like a native speaker. Let's get started. Burn the midnight oil. Burn the midnight oil. Barking up the wrong tree. Barking up the wrong tree. Cry over spilt milk. Cry over spilt milk. Hit the nail on the head. Hit the nail on the head. Curiosity killed the cat. Curiosity killed the cat. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Elvis has left the building. Elvis has left the building. Every cloud has a silver lining. Every cloud has a silver lining. Kill two birds with one stone. Kill two birds with one stone. Get cold feet. Get cold feet. Off the top of my head. Off the top of my head. On cloud nine. On cloud nine. Rain on someone's parade. Rain on someone's parade. Steal someone's thunder. Steal someone's thunder. Storm in a teacup. Storm in a teacup. The elephant in the room. The elephant in the room. Throw caution to the wind. Throw caution to the wind. Under the table. Under the table. Wrap your head around something. Wrap your head around something. Bite the bullet. Bite the bullet. A penny for your thoughts. A penny for your thoughts. Actions speak louder than words. Actions speak louder than words. Add insult to injury. Add insult to injury. At the drop of a hat. At the drop of a hat. Back to square one. Back to square one. Ball is in your court. Ball is in your court. Beat round the bush. Beat round the bush. Best of both worlds. Best of both worlds. Bite off more than you can chew. Bite off more than you can chew. Blessing in disguise. Blessing in disguise. Burn bridges. Burn bridges. By the skin of your teeth. By the skin of your teeth. Costs an arm and a leg. Costs an arm and a leg. Cut to the chase. Cut to the chase. Don't give up your day job. Don't give up your day job. Every dog has its day. Every dog has its day. Fish out of water. Fish out of water. Get out of hand. Get out of hand. Give someone the benefit of the doubt. Give someone the benefit of the doubt. Go back to the drawing board. Go back to the drawing board. Hang in there. Hang in there. Hit the sack. Hit the sack. It's not rocket science. It's not rocket science. Let someone off the hook. Let someone off the hook. Make a long story short. Make a long story short. Miss the boat. Miss the boat. No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. On the ball. On the ball. Once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon. Pull someone's leg. Pull someone's leg. Pull yourself together. Pull yourself together. Sit on the fence. Sit on the fence. Speak of the devil. Speak of the devil. Steal someone's thunder. Steal someone's thunder. Take it with a grain of salt. Take it with a grain of salt. Break the ice. Break the ice. Through thick and thin. Through thick and thin. Time flies when you're having fun. Time flies when you're having fun. Under the weather. Under the weather. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Wrap your head around something. Wrap your head around something. You can't judge a book by its cover. You can't judge a book by its cover. A storm in a teacup. A storm in a teacup. Bark up the wrong tree. Bark up the wrong tree. Beat a dead horse. Beat a dead horse. Bite the bullet. Bite the bullet. Cut corners. Cut corners. Cut someone some slack. Cut someone some slack. Get your act together. Get your act together. Hit the nail on the head. Hit the nail on the head. Ignorance is bliss. Ignorance is bliss. It takes two to tango. It takes two to tango. Jump on the bandwagon. Jump on the bandwagon. Keep your chin up. Keep your chin up. Leave no stone unturned. Leave no stone unturned. Let sleeping dogs lie. Let sleeping dogs lie. Live and learn. Live and learn. Look before you leap. Look before you leap. On the fence. On the fence. Once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon. Out of the blue. Out of the blue. Play devil's advocate. Play devil's advocate. Put all your eggs in one basket. Put all your eggs in one basket. Rain check. Rain check. Rock the boat. Rock the boat. Shape up or ship out. Shape up or ship out. Snowed under. Snowed under. Spill the beans. Spill the beans. Take a rain check. Take a rain check. That's the last straw. That's the last straw. Under the weather. Under the weather. Up in the air. Up in the air. Your guess is as good as mine. Your guess is as good as mine. Call the shots. Call the shots. Keep a straight face. Keep a straight face. Behind someone's back. Behind someone's back. In the heat of the moment. In the heat of the moment. Costs a fortune. Costs a fortune. Break a leg. Break a leg. Better late than never. Better late than never.